Hey everyone, just wanted to pop on here really fast. I just wanted to give you a quick update of what's been going on. It's been about 4 weeks since I did my last video and I said I was going to be taking a break, and so that's been going very well. I've only had the opportunity so far to maybe work on one of my projects. It's a smaller one that I've been wanting to knock off my list. Primarily, we have been out of town. We had a family reunion, and we sandwiched that in between visiting our kids over in Vancouver, Washington on the way there and on the way back. And then I stayed an extra week. I've just been helping them with some projects around the house and stuff. And so my recent decluttering efforts are rubbing off, and I got to help my daughter do some clearing out and some other things. And that was just really enjoyable, but that took about 2 weeks, and then I got home for a couple days, and then I got sick, and so that took me about another week. So 3 of my 4 weeks have pretty much been taken up with other stuff. I'm hoping still to get to some of my bigger projects. It's been super duper hot around here. Weather is in the 103 to 108 and sometimes predicted at 110 range, which is just ridiculous. It never used to get that hot here. And that, coupled with fires that started because of the dry heat, have made it really smoky. And so some of my jobs that I've really been wanting to do, I just have to put off because I want to clean out the garage or anything inside that just takes a lot of effort. It's just too darn hot.
I don't like being hot.
So I've been working on just getting photos off of our desktop computer. It's about 12 years old, and so I know someday that sucker's going to crash, and I want to make sure all my photos are safe. So that's the current project that I'm working on. But I hope you guys are staying busy and doing some fun things this summer. Put me down in the comments below and let me know what you're doing. So I apologize for the shakiness of this. I meant to bring like a little stand thing to put in my car, but I forgot it. So my hand's a little shaky, but I wanted to let you know I'm not dead and things are going well. But obviously it's going to be a few more weeks before I am back. So I'm going to just challenge you guys to take a minute and go watch some of my older videos and then come back here and comment below. Let me know which videos you picked and what you liked about it. I just think that'd be kind of fun to see. Channel's still going. YouTube hasn't killed it yet, even though I haven't uploaded for 4 weeks, so that's an encouraging sign. And just want to say I do miss all of you. I know my break is working and that my mental break is taking care of me because I'm already thinking of more videos to bring back to you guys. So that is a very positive sign. At the same time, I don't want to rush myself because I do have goals and things that I do need to achieve. Like I had said in my video, the one I did 4 weeks ago, once these are done, I can pretty much get it all out of my hair and move on with my life. And that will be a really wonderful feeling, just realizing that some things I put off either because I procrastinated or I didn't have time or energy or just other life events. My ongoing decluttering efforts have also been put on pause just for the time being because of our schedule and partly because of the heat, but they are continuing. And I don't know if I had mentioned it before, but I wasn't just decluttering my craft room and trying to move it downstairs, but as part of that, I've been spending time decluttering everywhere in my house, just trying to stay cool, just trying to stay busy and trying to make forward progress on all of my goals for the time being. So like I said, comment below, let me know what you guys are doing, and go back and watch an old video of mine and let me know which one you picked and what you liked about it. And I'll be checking back in with you in a few more weeks. Stay safe and have a great summer. Talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.